It's Jesse and Valerie. Third Thursday challenge. Woo! Valerie, say something.
You kind of said it all there, Jesse.
I know. Whoops.
This week's Third Thursday challenge is about eating bread. We're gonna eat one slice of bread in 45 seconds. Right?
Yep, pretty much. And I'll explain that again in about 5 seconds.
Okay.
And watch our video.
Cut.
We have 45 seconds to eat one slice of bread. It says white bread, but we're using wheat bread, so who cares?
Yeah, we don't have it.
Eat one slice of bread in 45 seconds, which I think I can do. How about you guys?
Actually,
Carbs! Carbs!
yeah, you guys better appreciate this. Jesse's breaking his
I
diet.
sacrificed for you guys.
I need to get down. Are you get your timer ready?
Alright.
Set, go. I think I can do this.
Oh my gosh.
13. Jesse might do it.
Oh my god.
I think they beat you. Come on, come on. Oh, fine. And the time is up.
I did it! I did it!
That's all I had.
I ate a whole piece of bread.
You didn't even try,
Izzy.
I had a bunch of food before
Look at this. Look at this camera. She took like 2 bites.
And this.
That's not what that's what she did eat.
That's pathetic.
That's like a bite.
Let me finish that for you.
So I totally won the bread challenge. Stay tuned next month when we're going to be doing the cinnamon challenge. That one's hilarious.
Yes.
I was about to say the F word. See you Monday, Wednesday.
Oh, no. We're gonna upload a video this weekend of Crazy Katie Part 2.
Part 2, Friday. So tomorrow, stay tuned for Crazy Katie Part 2. And then we're going to try to get Alfonso to do something, but you know, that might not happen. Alright, see you guys later. Bye.
Thanks for watching.
Love ya.
Subscribe.